Are you playing, my love? Are you playing in there? Who is that? Is that Tita Mercy?
To do it again?
Yeah. Aww.
Hello!
Hi guys! Welcome back! Kakauwi lang ni Travis, oh. Oh, wow.
Okay, come on.
Kauwi niya lang, nagluluto siya ng tacos.
Come on.
Ipag talaga ng mister
Stand.
ko. Kasi
Ellie,
paalis na rin
Ellie.
ako guys eh.
Stand.
Ako naman ang papasok.
Okay.
She's gonna get there. So what are you making?
We're gonna do chicken tacos.
Chicken tacos.
And this is for Ellie.
So meron si Elling chicken din. Ay, ang bilis ah. Nilagyan ko to siya ng ano kanina eh. Pinagapang na naman ng daddy.
Babe, I need a coffee.
Okay, mommy's gonna make coffee for daddy. Yummy! Sarap. Hindi pa nakabihis yan, no? You didn't even change.
Chicken. I know, you didn't let me. I had to make food.
Low bar. Ito yung akin. Is this hot? Oh. He's like, oh, because you made me make the food. But you want to make it, so I'll let you do it. Ayan yung ginamit. What did you put here?
It's taco seasoning.
This taco season. Then I should have just make it.
That's what I said.
It's only taco seasoning. I thought you were putting something in there.
No, that's why I have all the taco seasoning.
Are you playing, my love? Are you playing in there? Nakakatuwa talaga si Ellie, guys. Kahit iwan ko siya dito. Wala, pag ano talaga, magpa-play lang siya. Madami siyang toys dito, kaya hinayaan na lang namin. Yan. Para meron siyang libangan. Diba? Yung baby bunny niya nasa kwarto niya. Yun yung favorite niya talagang stuffed toy. Diba, Ariana? I love you. Mommy's gonna feed you later, okay? Magkakape lang si Mommy. Ang ginagawa niya, yan, ganyan ang gagawin niya. Dadaganan niya yan. Ayan, oh, para tumunog. What's the matter? What's the matter? You were doing fine. You were doing fine. Tingnan mo si Kinsley. Alam mo na pangalang Kinsley, ha? So, yung reason, bakit namin nilalagay talaga si Ellie sa playpen niya? Kasi nga, tignan niya naman, napakakulit na. Nilagay ko lang siya, pinapatulak ko siya ng ano niya. Dinagtulak siya saglit. Tapos nakita niyo na naman na meron akong inangat dito sa may mesa. Nandito rin siya. Nandito rin siya talaga. Curious na talaga tong batang to, guys. Grabe. Alam mo yun, pag makikita niyang, tawag nito, pag makikita niyang may ginagawa kami, kinakain kami, ganun. Alam mo yun, gusto niyang pakialaman. Nandito na talaga tayo sa stage na hindi mo na talaga siya pwedeng iwanan pag wala siya sa safe na ano. Like ng playpen. Sa playpen, okay pa eh. Naiwanan ko pa siya eh. Pati kwintas kong isa sinira niya. Diba? Behave lang ikaw, behave lang. Kasi ayaw din naman namin siyang, alam mo yun, magstay ng matagal sa playpen kasi gusto namin mag-explore din siya sa labas ng playpen. So, pinapaintindi lang namin sa kanya talaga kung ano yung tawag nito. Siyempre, baby pa sila, hindi pa nila maintindihan talaga. Pero kapag paulit-ulit mong pinapaalala sa kanila, siguro eventually, maano din nila. Maintindihan din nila kapag lumalaki na sila, diba? Wag to be. This is crackers. Madamad ako guys kumain. Alam niyo ba guys, ang laki na nabawas ng timbang sa akin ngayon. 125 pounds na lang ako. So yun yung normal weight ko bago ako mabuntis. So bumalik talaga agad. So 7 months postpartum ako, bumalik agad yung weight ko. Siguro dahil yung hindi na ako malakas kumain. Nawalan ako talaga sobrang ng ganang kumain ng kanin, ganun. Pero kumakain ako, tinatry ko kumain talaga ng healthy na pagkain, ng mga pagkain, more on protein, kasi nga, love. Kasi nga, di ba, nagpapadede pa ako. So, ayun. Yung supply ko naman, yung milk supply ko, okay pa din naman talaga siya. So, enough para din kay Ellie. So, meron ako mga extrang stock pa din sa freezer. Kasi ang gawa namin ngayon kay Ellie, siya, tawag nito, solid food, and then, milk ko pa din. So, sa umaga, pinapakain namin siya ng solid food, tapos may milk ko, tapos mga tanghali, ayun. Bawal ka nito, bawal. No. Love mo si mommy, love. Kagabi, guys, nagmumuryot to kagabi. Umiyak siya kagabi. Hindi namin alam, baka daw gasi, sabi ni Travis. Tapos, pinadede namin siya, yung unang iyak niya. Yung pala gutom. And then, nilapag namin siya, nakatulog siya. Tapos, gumising ulit siya, umiiyak. Tapos, feeling namin, siya, yung pinapanuhot. Ano matawag niyan? Yun. May siya, may hangin yung tiyan niya, feeling namin. Kailangan niya lang din sigurong iutot. I love you. Nasa work si Travis ngayon. And meron kaming bisita mamaya. Si Ate Maria. Galing silang Maryland. Pero pupunta sila ng Virginia. Siguro may nasikaso rin sila dito. Or may binisita rin sila. Pero dadaanan nila kami. And gusto lang din nila makita si Ellie. So saglit lang din sila mamaya. Sana nandito si Travis. Kasi nasa work pa si Travis eh. Ay, huwag mo na maubarin si Mami, B. Nakuha mo talaga pisngi ni Mami, no? Nakuha mo yung chubby cheeks ni Mami? Ha? Nakuha mo yung chubby cheeks ni Mami? Nakuha mo yung chubby cheeks ni Mami? Ay. Ano yun? Love, Mami. Love. Love mo si Mami. So, yun guys. Antayin muna namin si Travis. Bali, mag-hangout lang kami ni Ellie. Maglilinis ako ng kaunti. And then, mamayang hapon may work din ako, no? So, see you later, guys! Hey, see you later! Tinanggal mo na naman. Ilagyan ko siya ng headband eh. Tinanggal na naman ang headband niya. Wait lang. Mag-toothbrush pa si Mami. Hi, baby. There you go. Cute na ikaw ulit. Ang cute na ulit ang baby. Tapos tanggalin na naman niya yan. Ang baby bunny, oh. Favorite niya ito, baby bunny. Love, baby bunny. Love mo si baby bunny. Love. Love, baby bunny. Yeah. Love mo. Parating na yung daddy niya, guys. And then, parating na rin sila, Mami Mercy. Nadaan lang sila dito. Para daw makita lang si Ellie. Pinalitan ko muna ng diaper para syempre baka maamoy nila, no? Ang dami pa naman pupo ni Ellie. I know. Baby bunny? Baby bunny? Ha, baby bunny? O, wag mo itapon ng baby bunny. Dito na daddy niya, guys. Wait lang. Hang on. Ellie, hang on. Hang on. You wait for daddy. You wait. Tignan mo, tinanggal mo na naman. Come here. Come here. Oh, daddy! Buntot ni Kinsley. Kinsley. Oh, mag-hi ka muna kay Kinsley. Ganyan gusto niya eh. Diba? Sanay kasi si Kinsley every uwi ni Travis. Mag-hi din siya.
Ellie!
Hi, the daddy! Kinsley, enough. Go to your bed. Oh, look at you. Look at you. Is that daddy? Is that your daddy? Is that your daddy, Eliana? Hi, daddy. Look what you did to your headband. What you did to your headband. Tignan nyo naman ang batang ito, guys. Oh, kung makakapit. Eliana? Makain si Mami. Makain ako ng papaya. Pinure ito ni Travis. Kaso, parang medyo hilaw pa siya. Sabi ko, ako na lang kakain. Hi! Ayan na. Sige. Para wag mo kain. Wow. Look at you. Wow, you're gonna stand by yourself soon.
Before we leave in February.
Helly. Kay daddy naman siya. Daddy naman. Si Travis, oh.
Excuse me.
Nagano si Travis, inaasar ako ni Travis. Kasi di ba bumalik ako sa goal, weight goal ko. Tapos, and then si Travis nangaasar.
So now that you've hit your weight goal, we can hit our child goal. And then all you gotta do is rinse and repeat.
No, you're funny.
If you made it down to this goal, now you can do it
No,
again.
I'm good.
It's easier the second time. It is.
No.
It's easier the second time.
How do you know you're not the one who gave birth?
No, I'm the one that's cheerleading you on. I've been
No,
watching your progress.
It's different.
I'm
Cheerleading
observing.
is different when you're the one giving birth.
No, because I'm the one that gives you your motivation.
No.
Oh, yeah. I know.
He really wants another one. But, I don't know. I'm good with one.
Nah, we need two. You're not going to give her a sibling? How dare you? She's going to be lonely.
Oh, wow. Now it's my fault?
She's going to be lonely.
Now it's my fault, babe?
She's going to be lonely.
She have us.
Yeah. She don't want to be best friends with her mom. She wants to be best friends with her sister or her brother.
And then they're gonna start.
See?
And then they're gonna start pulling each other's hair.
Of course they are. That's what they do.
Right.
Okay.
Gusto niya talaga ng
Oh, Ellie.
mag-baby na.
Oh.
Pero hindi pa, parang hindi pa kasi ako ready kaya ayoko pa talaga, guys. So, we'll see. Siguro, depende.
Okay, come here.
Kasi hindi madaling mabuntis, hindi madaling manganak, madaling gawin, madaling sabihin, di ba? Ay, ang galing ng baby ko ah! I'm very good ikaw ah! Where's your headband? Wow! Look at you! Oh my goodness! I thought she's really gonna try to stand.
I gotcha. You ready? Okay. Hang on.
Yeah.
Hang on. You're not can't walk yet. Okay, there you go.
Yeah, look at you. Nakagigil ka. Stand up ikaw, stand up. You stand up. You stand up. Yeah.
A few moments later.
Bisita kami! May bisita kami! Who is that? Is that Tita Mercy?
Want you to do it again?
Yeah. Aww.
We're probably looking at.
Binigyan ako ng anak niya.
We're probably looking
Do you wanna pet her? Okay.
You can let her in.
Yeah. She's just always excited. Oh, see?
She's just a big girl.
Yeah, she's just a big girl. Ate, saan po yung papa niyo po? Papasukan niyo po. Pa?
He's tired.
Oh, really?
This is for her.
Thank you.
Don't touch it, Mama.
We came down last night, so we're staying in
Oh.
Williamsburg. She wanted to go back through Jamestown again. We did it like 7, 8 years ago, and
Oh.
we didn't really get to actually do a whole lot.
Are you
It was
planning to
cold,
move
there
back
were
here?
tons of people.
Oh, I thought.
Not yet. Not
Yeah.
yet.
She's getting excited.
She is excited.
Look, your daughter, like, what is going on?
Does she look like Travis then? Does she look like Travis or mix?
So we
Huh.
yeah,
warrior.
Yeah.
That's nice.
stuff. So
Are you?
Oh. Hindi tuwan-tuwa.
I do. I work still up.
She found her playmate.
You guys need to come visit us.
I know. I told him that. Yeah.
It's the same.
Yeah, she's fine.
Same stuff, but I'm just.
But just not lekte. Kasi makulit to si Kinsley. Mahilig mag-lick.
Right
Yeah.
now, it's the better side.
Lati, dalagan na ti,
The
oh.
whole government gets.
Dalagan na. So, ayun guys, nakauwi na sila Ate Maria, yung friend namin. Na-meet ko lang yun talaga siya sa TikTok. Super bait niya, super nice niya talaga. And thank you Ate Maria. Maraming salamat sa pag-visit sa amin. Galing pa sila ng Maryland. So, siguro may dinaanan din sila dito. Tapos dumaan sila sa amin. Tapos iba nilang friends dito. Ganun. So, yun lang ang ating vlog for today. Thank you guys for watching. See you again next time. Bye!